Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.1, question number 6. Show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by R that is equal to 1, 2 and 2, 1 is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Let us take the set A as 1, 2, 3. And R is a relation in A cross. That is, R is a subset of A cross A. Now R is given as 1, 2 and 2, 1. Is this relation reflexive? Is this reflexive? What is the definition for reflexive? For all A belongs to A should be there in R. But 1, 1, if you take 1, if the first element 1, 1, is not there. 2, 2, no. 3, 3, no. They are not in R. So for all A belongs to A is not in R. Therefore R is not reflexive. Is it symmetric? 1, 2 belongs to R. Its reverse pair 2, 1 is also there. If you take 2, 1, its reverse pair 1, 2. So 2, 1 is also there in R. Isn't it? Therefore, it is symmetric. So what is the definition of symmetric? If AB belongs to R, BA should be there in R. So it is there, so it is symmetric. Now next is transitive. Is it transitive? One, 2 and 2, 1 belong to R. But see, there is a common link 2, 2. Therefore 1, 1 should be there in R. Is 1, 1 in R? No. So 1, 1 is not there in R. Okay, that means the definition is if AB and BC belong to R, then AC should be there in R, but here it is not there. Therefore, it is not transitive. So it is, therefore the relation is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Hence we have proved. Now we'll move on to question number 7. Show that the relation R in the set A of all the books in the library of a college given by R is X, Y. X and Y have same number of pages is an equivalence relation. So let us define the set A as set of all the books in a library of a college. Now the relation R is subset of A cross A. So what is R defined as? Is an ordered pair X, Y where X and Y have the same number of pages. So now let us see whether it is reflexive. X, X belongs to R. Why? Because X and X represent the same book. So the same book will have the same number of pages, isn't it? It is given that X and Y should have the same number of pages. So X, X belongs to R. Therefore, R is reflexive. Now let us see if it is symmetric. If x comma y belongs to R, what does it mean? X and y have the same number of pages. X and y belongs to R means x and y have the same number of pages. What about y and x? Same, have the same number of pages. So yx belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. Is it transitive? Let xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R. What does it mean? X and y, the books X and Y have the same number of pages. Y and z belongs to R. That means Y and Z have the same number of pages. That means X and Z will have the same number of pages. X and Y have the same number. Y and Z have the same number. That means X and Z will have the same number of pages. That means XZ belongs to R. Therefore, it is transitive. So, it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore, this relation R is an equivalence relation. Thank you.